Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering option. Then go to mobile hotspot and that's it. Now just tap here to enable mobile hotspot. Now to enable mobile hotspot, at first you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. So just tap on turn off. And you can see mobile hotspot is enabled successfully, and from here you can customize or set up your mobile hotspot. If you want to configure your mobile hotspot, just tap here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name, and from here you can change your hotspot password. Also from here you can change your frequency. You can choose 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as you preferred. If I select 5 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. Also, if you want to use one-time password for mobile hotspot, just enable this option and it's done. Now if you go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, on the control center you can find mobile hotspot option. You can also enable or disable mobile hotspot from here, and you can see it's disabled. And that is how you can enable mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.